Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are okay. So in this video we are going to talk about Sentinel again, and today we are going to talk about analytics rules. In the previous video we connected our data sources to our Sentinel environment to collect and started collecting data. Now we can detect threats based on the data we collect. Now, one of the main keys of Sentinel is analytical rules. Analytical rules are a set of criteria that are used to automatically detect potential threats. Let's say based on user behavior, network traffic, or hash files, data leak, and many other stuff. We can create data based on IOCs, such IP addresses, domain names, or or other ways, or as such, or user behavior, like okay, the user is connecting to our platform from a different place, or the user is today morning he logged in from Brazil, and now like 4 hours later he's logging in from Taiwan. So we can configure many analytical rules for that. Okay, so it's very simple, actually very easy to create. Well, here we have active rules, and then we have rule templates and anomalies. Now we are going to use rule templates. Okay, these rules are here for us, and we can modify that as needed. Let's say Sentinel 1 blacklist hash detected, deleted, or we can, let me see, intra accounts created, deleted in short time with admin membership. No, so let me add some filter, data source, intra Microsoft ID. Okay, and let's apply for that. MFA spamming followed by successful login, multiple membership, privilege assigned to outside PIM, or user added with privileges. Okay, so let me see one here. Let's see here, new user. Yeah, where's it? New user here, new user added. Let's create this. Okay, so here we can give the name, here's the description, here is the severity. As I told you, you can modify the severity. Let's say I want to put it as high as I can. So what kind of type is this? There's persistence, escalation, privileges. We can select other stuff, let's say abuse elevation control mechanism, and then exploitation for privilege escalation. All of these are here for us to, let's say, okay, this one too. Okay, we can select all that applies to our rule. And persistence, account manipulation, and let's see anything else. One more, let's see, while the account implement boot or log, no, module system permanent valid accounts. Yeah, this one here. Okay, so done, and then set logical rule, and here we have the logical rule. Okay, here's how it's going to occur. let operation list equals dynamic. Oh shit. And oops. Let me, no. Oh, I hate when this happens. Control. Oh my goodness. Here. Control X. Yeah. Well, let's validate. Okay. So view the query results. And it's going to run. Okay, no results found in custom time range. We can select the time. We can modify it. Okay, so just search here about time, and then we can modify it. Okay, here custom range. We can take from January 23. Yeah, can be from 23 to 24. Okay, let's see what we have. Well, there's no results. So okay, let me close. And then entity mapping. Here's are the accounts. Okay, so we could select like host, but as we are configuring for a account, we should use account. Okay, the entity is account, the name here account name, and then here we can create another one, and we can add another identifier and another identity. Let's say account. Okay, so here name, the column here user profile, group name, user ID, user IP address. Let's say user IP address. Okay, and well, use the UPN or use UPN suffix, and then it's target UPN. Target UPN suffix. Yeah, so let me see something here. Yeah, here is the are the custom details you can add, but I'm not going to do that. Other details also I'm not going to do that. How long is going to take the query runs in between a space of time? So let's say 1 hour, 1 day, let's say hours, loop in 1 hour 2, and then start running automatically. And then alert threshold, it's greater than, and then 0 should be greater than 0, because any results going to appear when the query runs. So incident, and here enable alert grouping. Oh, no, I'm not going to do that because I have to configure. So the incident settings, Microsoft Sentinel alerts can be grouped together into an incident. It means like they can be in one kind of group, and then we can create a group here and put all these alerts in different groups. Okay, let's say I have a group for users, another one for IP addresses, another one for hardware identification. Okay, so automate the process, test and create. So it's validating and validation space passed, and then save. We are saving these rules. So now we have an active rule. Okay, we can edit, we can disable, we can duplicate, delete, or we can run the rule and see the preview of this rule. Well, there is no records because it's like it's empty, and here we can see that is displayed here 90 minutes after the run completes. It means like takes 1 hour and a half after the first run started, so or finished. Okay, so that's it for now. You guys can see that, visit here, check by yourselves, create another rules to try it, okay, to test it. I'm sorry for my voice because I just arrived at home from like 7 hours trip. I drove for 7 hours today, and I'm very tired. But well, I had to do this video today. Alright, so thanks a lot for watching my content, and see you guys in the next video.